Good day, friends. It's very windy today. Do not bring your drone here. Something with this monastery, I call it the drone killer. Somebody's flying a drone. You don't risk it here. That's too risky. He needs to be careful with that. Let me tell him before he loses it. Oh, be careful, man, because drone crashes. These monks don't want drones here. Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, be very careful. They will visit down.
I'm nervous now when you told me that.
Yeah, don't fly it here, seriously. Because if you can ask the monks in Georgian, they will tell you that there are a few drones up there.
Really?
Yeah, on the roof, yeah. They crash all the time here. Monastery is the old capital of Georgia. The new capital is Tbilisi. I've come to Jivari Monastery. This monastery that you see right in front of us was built 500 AD after the death of Christ. And monks used to use this as their base, their home, so they used to stay here. What's interesting with this monastery is if you are a drone flyer and you love flying your drone, do not bring your drone here. I call this monastery the drone killer. If you come here, do not fly your drone because your drone is going to crash. A few people have lost their drones here because the monks got tired of the hissing sound from drones. So they invested a bit of money on drone signal jammers. So when you are here and you're busy flying your drone for like 5, 6, 7 minutes, it will go zzz, and then it dies. It just crashes, and the monks are not going to help you bring your drone down, but it will be dead anyway. So do not fly your drone here. You can see people walking down there. That leads to another monastery which is down the hill in the bushes. The monk who worships and lives there, he doesn't like to be disturbed. He gets very upset. So one time I went there and he wasn't a happy bunny. He was shouting and screaming in Georgian. He was just saying, what are you doing here? You know, tourists are not allowed here. Please go. Monastery is the old capital of Georgia. The new capital is Tbilisi. The beauty of this monastery is the view it gives to foreigners and tourists. And that's the beautiful view of Monastery, where the two rivers meet. One river is coming from Turkey, another river is coming from Kazbegi. The both meet here and they flow all the way to Azerbaijan, to the Caspian Sea. Let's check inside the monastery. Jivari Monastery. How beautiful is that? Jivari Monastery is a beautiful monastery. But when you're inside these monasteries, you can't really talk too loud. And it's one of the few monasteries in Georgia where you find the crosses that are not bent. A bent cross is a symbol of Saint Nino, the lady who brought Christianity to Georgia. Built in 500 AD. That's 500 after Christ's death. Look how they just put the stones on top of each other. The new modification is where you see cement. That's a new modification there. And the thing is, when you enter these monasteries, when you enter these very old monasteries in Georgia, you must take your hat off. If you're a man, if you're a woman, you don't have to, but you have to cover your shoulders. So my baseball cap is off my head right now. Here is a symbol of Georgian Christianity, a bent cross. According to the legend in Georgia, a bent cross was introduced by Nino, the founder of religion in Georgia. When she arrived in Georgia, she was practicing Christianity without a cross, and many Georgians asked her, why you don't have a cross if you're claiming to be a Christian? She looked around, she couldn't find any cross. Instead, she saw grape trees, so she picked twigs from the tree and joined them together with a strand from her hair. And that became the most famous Christian cross of Georgia.
I'm low on power, so I had to turn my phone off.
Yes, okay, that's good.
Yes, we could trade pictures when we get there. You got your phone on you, right?
Yes. You want to take you some pictures?
Oh, I'm good for here.
Wait right there.
We'll do it on the King's and Queen's chamber.
Yes, that would be good.
You'll break the camera. I'm not liable for it.
Yeah. Let's go check the other side. Oh, you forgot. Normally you have to take your hat off. The monks didn't see you. They would have asked you to take your hat off.
Oh, well. Very fortunate.
Yeah. Go in, mate. Explore. This is all you, Mickey. This is the best view, I think.
It's quite spectacular.
So that road goes to Kazbegi, Stepantsminda, Vladikavkaz, Russia, Turkey, and to the left it goes all the way to Tbilisi,
that's
Azerbaijan,
heading south.
Armenia, Iran. Yes.
So that's heading south.
No, north.
North.
Yes.
But Turkey's south of here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like southwest. So when you go this road, you go north, then you'll go towards southwest.
Okay, so there's a big U-turn.
Yes, because Armenia is over there. If there was a border crossing between Turkey and Armenia, then you will go southwest. But because there's no border crossing, you have to go all the way north.
So wow, there's no border crossings between Armenia and Turkey.
No, and there's no border crossing between Armenia and Azerbaijan.
Oh wow, so they basically have to go through Georgia.
Yes, you cannot even fly from Armenia to Turkey or Armenia to Azerbaijan. There are no flights, no border crossing, no air crossing.
Oh wow, they hold grudges around here, don't they?
Yes, Azerbaijan and Turkey want to squeeze all Armenians out of this world, get rid of all Armenians.